Hold on. Just let me know when you see something. Oh, my eye. Okay. We'll get back to that in 1 second. Well, let's run an intro real quick. Alright, y'all. Leekautorepair, what's going on? Quick little vlog. Let y'all know what's crack-a-lacking over here. So, of course, we know got better on the cold part. When I got better, I just got runny nose. I think I've been had runny nose for the last couple months. Crappy allergies and stuff. I wanted to say it. S-H-I-T. So on Friday, I remember in the back of the house in the driveway. Try to talk louder. Back in the house in the driveway, and I had flip-flops on, like those Nike Johns. And then it was broken up concrete in the back, and then my dumb ass basically I tripped over it, all right, in flip-flops, and it was an excruciating pain, or whatever word you want to use. The pain was crazy, and then like my nail kind of, like, it was my baby toe. My nail kind of went up, and then like it was like you could like move it a little bit, but like it's cool now. I guess the next day I couldn't really move it like that. It means to tell me my nail was cool. I saved my nail, but I was worried that my whole nail was gonna come off. Excuse me. So that was one problem. So the other issue was my baby toe was broke. Just confirmed, went to the hospital, whatever. So I had a lot of pain, like immediately after like tripping over it. It was just, I mean, I was in so much pain that whole day, the whole night. I mean, and then I went to work the next day. Luckily, I had to work like 8 to 12. It was on a Saturday, and then I did my work shift cool. I mean, I was like limping bad, and then next thing, had a wedding to go to, and then went to the wedding, and I had to like leave the wedding early. I waited to the part where they got married and whatever, but when everybody was about to eat like food or whatever and dance and all of that, like I had to go because like I couldn't take the pain. Like it was bad. Like I'm just limping, and now just because I'm putting so much weight on my good leg so that way I can take it off my bad leg. Like, I mean my bad foot, like that, like my good leg was starting to hurt because it was supporting what the other leg is supposed to be doing. So I can't stand. I gotta go get this foot looked at. So I wanted to go get it looked at. They said it was broken or whatever. So they can't cast any toes or nothing. Not, I mean, a baby toe at least or whatever. But just gotta wait for it to heal. Had something like that happen before, but I never went to the hospital. It was on the other toe. I didn't go to the hospital for it. I should have, but that let me know that it was broken before or whatever. I just never went. I was in pain for like 7 months. 7 to 9 months. Matter of fact, make it the whole year. I was in pain. It was annoying. All right, so my next injury was yesterday working on a car, and then I was putting the transmission back like in a 98 or 2000 Honda Accord. It was V6 130 sedan, and then just finishing up putting the suspension back together, and all I know was the tie rod must have been hanging up somewhere because it wasn't locked in the spindle. It must have been hanging up somewhere. I didn't see it, whatever. All I know is I'm trying to get the axle I'm trying to put this, I don't know if I'm putting a control arm back onto the ball joint or I'm doing something. Next thing you know, I never heard it. It just landed and hit me. All I know is I'm trying to maneuver, trying to put such and such, bam, bam, them Jones on or whatever. Next thing you know, boom, like right in my eye socket, like the tie rod. Imagine a tie rod, outer tie rod coming slamming down on your eye socket. So not only that, like it knocked me out. Like not like I didn't get unconscious or nothing like that, but it made me take a knee. Like it didn't feel like somebody got like punched me or nothing. No, it felt worse than that. Like I think I could have handled the hit. This one, the metal object versus soft hard fist. I'll take a soft hard fist any day over some metal cast iron object that's that's solid. No, because that's gonna hurt. So after, a couple minutes, I had to, like, I got back up off the ground. I went to go to the bathroom, check everything out. I opened my eyeballs to see what's going on. It's like all this dirt stuff in it, like all this dirt from the tie rod. And I think the boot was starting to come out because it was like grease around it or whatever. Whatever. Um, Whatever was on that tie rod came into my eye. It was like all this dirt. Couldn't get it out. We got it out best as I could. My boss, he tried to like help me get it out, and it was just so much, and it was starting to like bleed a little bit, like on the eyeball. Yeah, like just trying to like clean it off, and it was drawing. So, uh, went to the hospital. Of course, we cleaned it out or whatever, but it was still in there. It was still stuff in there. Couldn't get out. So went to the hospital, and they flushed it out real good. And I'm trying to figure out what else they flushed it out real good. Gave me some like eye drops to like numb it. They gave me some prescription too. I was supposed to put it in last night, but the CVS I wanted to go put everything in didn't have uh, those two items in stock, so I gotta go to another CVS in another part of town to go. I gotta go get that. So all in all, basically what I want to just get my point across. Make sure you wear safety glasses. It's gonna take like a nice little accident to happen for you to start wearing it. I mean, I know. I've been working on cars this long, and I like my pizza burnt. Right? Yeah, I like it burnt. It's like I like my barbecue chicken a little bit burnt, a little bit. Anything on the grill a little bit burnt. But you gotta be careful, man. It's gonna cost you time. It's gonna cost you money. You ain't gonna be able to work. I know your situation. You know, health insurance. I don't know. You gotta be careful out here, man. Them injuries is bad. You could lose your eye. You could lose your eye. And had gas, brake fluid, antifreeze, um, all types of fluids in my eye. Like, I got injured so many times working on cars, I couldn't tell you. So many cuts and bruises and messing up my back. And I'm being real with you. Like, be careful. So I'm gonna show y'all what this eye look like, just to give y'all a warning. And let me wipe my hand on this napkin. But make sure you just wear safety glasses, man, at all times. I don't care if you. That's like not wearing a seatbelt and you want to be all cool. That's you gonna be cool until you get hurt. That's what it's gonna take. I think for me, like, I don't care no matter what. I gotta like keep some glasses on because I'm older. I'm 30 now. I can't be playing around. Like, I gotta like really take care of my stuff. Accidents happen. That's why they tell you to, wear safety glasses, because like you heard when I said I didn't see the tie rod coming and it just hit me. Hadn't I saw it, I could have like braced for impact or moved out the way. I couldn't do nothing because I didn't see nothing. Be careful. And it can happen. Anything flying across the shop and get to you. I'm just saying, just gotta be safe out here. So let me show y'all real quick. So if y'all can see that is red, if I can get this to focus, all right in here, this is where it's scratched up. It's real irritating, like, and it's like annoying, like, maybe like you can see this eye's a little low a little bit, but I had to keep an eye patch on. Doctor didn't give me this or nothing. Went to CVS and got this, and I put some tissue on it, like a little stacked up too, and put it in there to keep it like compressed, like pressed down, because I need my eyelid to stay shut, because both eyelids work together, not independently. And you can control it independently, but when one eyeball move, the other eyeball move with it too. So just that pain. So just if I keep my lid shut, I'm good. But if I have it exposed too long, it start to like burn and bother me. This is the eye drop stuff from yesterday. I gotta go put my prescriptions in. I gotta go see an eye doctor shortly. I'm ready to call him after I've done this video. Go to the eye doctor. I think you just gotta get an X-ray the whole joint, make sure nothing else is in there, make sure everything is Gucci, and I feel like something's still on my eyeball. Like I don't know. I'm gonna let them be the one to judge. But they flushed the shit out of my eye yesterday for like a good 15 minutes, and like 15 minutes straight. Like I had to keep my eyeball open. Like it was annoying. Like imagine you had to sit through that. It was annoying. So I sat through that, but it is what it is. So I just want to touch bases with y'all. Make sure you wear your safety glasses, man. Don't be like Leek, man. Don't. Just play with your time. Play with your money. I had to leave work early. I could be productive at work, making things happen. You know what I mean? But unfortunately, accidents happen. So it could be prevented, but yeah, it could be prevented. Ain't no other way to put it. Trying to figure out other excuses or whatever. So just got to be careful out here. So gloves, work gloves. Make sure you got your first aid kit, safety glasses, steel toe boots. Wear long sleeve t-shirts. Just take my advice. Wear long sleeve t-shirts, or I mean long sleeve shirts. Period. Cause you don't want that prevent you from getting all these cuts and stuff on your arm because you actually covered up and stuff. What else? Just come equipped for the job. Like, yeah, this is crucial, or your stuff gonna be looking like this. See that? That's nasty, ain't it? So, but I'm Leekautorepair, and I can't even think right now because it burned. But wear your safety glasses. Don't be like Lee.